Hi everyone, I just wanted to show a quick overview of the next post that I'm going to be publishing in my Patreon. As per usual, it's going to be for free, so you're going to be able to download all the files and the project and everything that you can see here. So this is a word builder, and it's a 3D word builder, and we can come here. This is the blueprint that I have in the scene, and we can come here and just write whatever we want. And as you can see, it updates. And another feature that I added is the letter spacing of the kerning, so you can change the space between letters. And then the most interesting feature of this is the capability of destroying and rebuilding the word. So let me show you what I mean by that. So now if I press R1, I'm going to destroy the word, and pressing L1, I'm going to rebuild it. And all of this has been made with cows, and all the simulation has been baked, so it's very performant. And the tricky part was to make it working with any words. So if I change that and I say, for example, aloha, we can go back to the gameplay, and then we can destroy it. And rebuild it. And we can try another word if you want, for example, I don't know, something short, car. So let's destroy it. And let's rebuild it. So as you can imagine, this can be used for many, many things. And yeah, I just wanted to share it with you. Uh, all the files are going to be probably ready for download in a week or so, but I'll keep you posted, and yeah, I'll let you know when the project is available for download. I hope you like it, and see you soon. Bye bye.